This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandler. Move right in. This spacious 3-bedroom 2-bath home is in a wonderful location. It has a split floor plan, oversized living area and plenty of room in the dining area for your family and friends. The master suite has an extremely large walk-in closet, bathroom with double sinks, Roman tub and separate shower. The screened porch with a dry bar is very spacious and great for entertaining. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, lots of countertops and a large pantry. New roof 2023. For more information, review the details below.